Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove Volvo V40 steering wheel. First, always disconnect the negative battery cable and wait at least 10 minutes to depressurize the airbag circuit. Keep the steering wheel centered and wheels straight to preserve alignment. Use safety gloves and eye protection while handling connectors and springs. Gather a 10 mm socket, Torx bits, and a steering wheel puller before you begin so the job goes smoothly and safely. With the battery isolated, find the two access holes behind the Volvo V40 steering wheel and insert the correct Torx or flat tool to release the airbag clips. Carefully tilt the airbag forward and support it with one hand as you reach behind to unclip the connector. Depress the locking tab fully and withdraw the plug gently, then place the airbag face up on a safe padded surface to avoid accidental damage while you continue working. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for keeping your lunch, bolts, and small parts organized while you work, and they snap shut so nothing spills into the garage. I find them invaluable for parts sorting and sandwiches between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After the airbag is set aside, mark the steering wheel alignment on the shaft to preserve tracking. Loosen and remove the central retaining nut while holding the wheel firmly, then use a steering wheel puller to remove the hub without damaging the clock spring. When reinstalling, align the marks, slide the wheel onto the shaft, torque the retaining nut to the correct specification, and reconnect the airbag connector securely before reconnecting the battery and testing functions.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.